Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an editable digital product using Canva. Canva is an awesome free resource to use if you are wanting to create digital products to sell on Etsy and make passive income. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a digital design, save it to allow customers to access the design and edit it themselves. So instead of having to create custom designs for each customer, this allows for the process to really become passive. So once you make the editable product, the customer can access the edit file and make the custom changes themselves. So let's get started. I've opened up Canva and I'm just using my free account with Canva. I'm going to click on custom dimensions. I'm going to make an 8x10 sign today. It's going to open it up in a new tab. And what I want to do is get some text going. So I'm going to be making an editable sign. So this is going to be for the baby and pregnancy market, or baby shower market, I guess. So this sign is going to be a custom baby shower banner. So it's something that customers can access the file, edit to add their names and their dates, and then print it themselves. And it's just an easy process. So the first thing I want to do is type my title, which is going to be welcome. And I'm going to adjust the font in a little bit, but we're going to put welcome. And then down here, or maybe there might be an easier one that I can just grab from and then adjust it. Let's see. It's not exactly okay, this is actually similar to what I want to do. So let me delete that. Oopsie. Oh. Oops. I somehow made two of these. Okay. So I'll show you what I'm planning. I need it to adjust. Okay. So I actually want to, can I move this one? Ungroup. Okay. So I do want to move this one under. For this, I want to put welcome to. I'm going to duplicate this one. And I'm going to pick a random name. I'm going to put Lauren. Welcome to Lauren's. Do I want to do that? Okay, actually, I might play around with this a little bit. Let me see. Welcome to Lauren's baby shower. Do I want to do that? So I kind of play around with different layouts. I kind of like to use two different fonts. One kind of a basic font for words that aren't as important, and then kind of a fun cursive font or pretty font for that big thing you want to stand out. Welcome to Lauren's baby shower. What if I do welcome to... Okay, I might change this. Let me try... Ooh, that looks weird. Oh, why is it... Oh, it's because this is stuck on a default. Okay, let me go back to Railway then. We'll just do... Oh, wait. Welcome to Lauren's baby shower. I don't actually mind that. That looks okay. Okay. This would be an example of something that I would create for my shop. And now I'm going to use some clip art. I say this in a lot of my videos when I am using clip art, that I've purchased this clip art from Creative Market, and I made sure to have a commercial license so that I can sell products with the clip art that I've bought. So if you do want to use clip art or special fonts for products that you want to sell on Etsy or your website, make sure to get a commercial license and that you understand how to use those clip arts and what that license allows you to do. Okay, so that's my tiny rant about commercial licenses. I might make a bigger video about that eventually. Let me see if I like this. Okay, I kind of like that, and I might have to adjust these. Okay. A little bit too big. Man, I don't love that the circle is there. Let me try this one. This one might be the one. Okay, so that's pretty. So I can make this larger. Move this down. Okay, perfect. The last thing I'm going to do is add, actually I'm going to duplicate that so that I can move it down here and then change it to a date. I'm going to pick a random date. It's going to be, I'll just say March 2021. I might put, okay. Okay, there we go. So this is an example of a baby shower sign that I would make. And the reason that you want this to be editable is that you want the customer to be able to change their name. So let's say they got the file, they can put Sarah, they can put Rebecca, whatever their name is. They can also change the date. So everyone's going to have a different date for their baby shower. They're going to want to change that somehow. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to now show you how to save it and how to share the file so that your customer can get that file and edit it themselves after purchasing it from you. The first thing that I want to do is save this file in 2 different places. So you're going to have one file that is saved for your personal use, so that it's basically a backup file for you, so that if you ever need to access the file again, you have your own personal one that has not been touched by anybody else. The second file that you are going to want to share is going to be a copied file of this, and that's the file that you're going to give to the customer. Sometimes, it's pretty much a precautionary way so that if anything gets messed up with that file, you have your backup file that you can end up copying again and then resending. So it's just kind of a fail-safe way. So what I'm going to do first is, well, I guess I can make a copy of it right now. Okay, so now we have this one and the copy. So all I did was go to File, make a copy. So now we have our 2 files here. This one I'm going to put spring baby shower, just put backup. For this one, I'm going to put spring baby shower edit. So this is for the customer. I'm going to go back to Spring Baby Shower Backup. I'm going to go to File, Save to a folder. I have already created a folder for my designs and then the editable items. And if you need to create a folder, just press Create New and type in what you want. But I'm going to save this one to my designs. Save. I'm going to save this one to the editable folder. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you share that with someone. So let's say I'll show you two ways. First, I'm going to get rid of the backup file and we're just in the Spring Baby Shower edit. There are a few things you can do. So let's say you want to individually share this with customers. After they purchase it, you would type in their email and then send it to them. But I wouldn't do it that way because I just feel like timing wise, people are expecting to get the file instantly. So if you're not able to send it instantly, just go ahead and copy the link. So what this would do is give you that exact link to the editing file. And what you're going to do with the link is create a document such as a PDF or a Word document or Google document. Type in the information about this editable, goodness, that's hard to say a lot. Type in the information about how to access and edit this file, and then share the link in that file. So let's say you're on Etsy, you're making the listing for this file that customers can edit themselves. You're going to attach your PDF or Word document or whatever document that you want to attach with the information on how to use the file, how to edit the file, and then that clickable link for them, that clickable shared link for them to be able to paste and immediately access the file to edit. So this is the link that I had copied, and this is what it would look like when you share that copied link with your customer. And so they would end up either clicking on the link if it's a clickable link, or they could type or copy and paste the link into their own browser. The design is just going to pop up like this. It's going to say that they are invited to edit the design, who the design is created by, and that they can start designing it now. And so it shows them the size. So all they'll be able to do is press Edit Design, and then they will have to sign up with a free account to edit the design. So it's truly a passive way to create a design and then be able to give it to the customer for them to edit it themselves. So I love using Canva for my designs. I do use other programs now, but every now and then I will go back to Canva because it does have so many great templates and options, and the process is really easy and simple. So I would recommend using Canva if you are wanting to make designs and want an awesome free design resource. All right, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much.